Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half Heartland Road Warrior 414 RW fifth wheel toy hauler. We're going to take a few minutes and run you around the inside and back out to the outside of this new fifth wheel toy hauler. Alright guys, we're now up inside the new Road Warrior 414. We're going to start here in the middle of the coach, kind of take a look at the kitchen and living room area, and then kind of go from there. So right now we're looking at the kitchen. You can see a lot of overhead cabinets up here. Big U-shaped counter space for the actual kitchen area here. So you have an undermount stainless sink, high-rise faucet. Does have the little bit nicer Furrion oven with the glass front and stuff like that. Couple drawers, more storage. Do you have the larger microwave set up there? Little LED accent lighting. And you have some room up there too that you can put some more decorative stuff up in there. There's also a little roof vent up there as well. Little shelf area back there again for more decorative stuff. But you have an electric outlet back there. The larger residential fridge. So this is about a 20 cubic foot residential fridge. And you have the freezer on bottom, fridge on top. You can also opt in for a gas electric fridge if you're more of an off-the-grid camper. So that part is available if you like that. Theater seat area here. You got little lighted cup holders. There's a USB port in there to charge things up as well. And the middle section does actually flip down there for more cup holders and charging station as well. I'll spin back around here, let you look toward the front. There's the central vac hookup and dustpan vac built into the step down there. You have a little booth area, and you could do a couple little bar stools or something there if you needed extra seating. Some more overhead cabinets, the stereo system there, and a nice big flat screen TV up there. Going up into the bed area, bedroom, hallway, whatever you want to call it here. This is got some different hookups areas here, different switches and stuff for a lot of your controls. So your generator start, stop, your winterization stuff for the Yeti package, if you do that feature. Electric and gas water heater buttons there. Slide out controls, some awning control stuff there. And also another switch down here for the cold weather package, as their cold weather package works on 110 or 12 volt. So it's actually a two-way version, where some of them are only a one-way version. Little closet area here on the left. Going up into the bedroom area here, you have quite a bit of room up here actually. There are two opposing slides. So you do have the Camper King bed, little pillow top mattress. And that bed does actually go up and to like a seat mode. And it actually has to be up in that seat mode when you go to close the slide outs, because you have, again, two opposing slides and they would hit each other. So that is designed to go up. You have a big flat screen TV over here. Another window there, so you could get some cross breeze ventilation and stuff on a good fall night. But quite a bit of room down here. Again, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of my videos. A lot of new products coming in and out of here, so I'm trying to update them as often as I can for you. Show you all the new mid-year model changes. And another thing that's a little different here, this has actually got a small tub in it. A lot of brands are just doing showers now with little seats in them. So this is kind of different. If you've got a small kid or something, you do have an actual little bathtub now, where a lot of the brands did not have that previously. And you also have a little closet area over here. We'll open this up for you. This closet area here is where you could do a washer dryer setup if you wanted to. Kind of show back up inside here a little bit. There's another shelf up there, lights up there, hanging bar down there. But a pretty decent sized closet. Now again, if you do the washer dryer up here, that does obviously take away a little bit of your closet space, but got quite a bit of drawer space in here as well. We're going to head back to the garage area here for you. And another little thing too, they do have some little LED accent lights up above the slides. Back here in the back, typical little Happy Jack bed system here. So the sofa area down here / dinette area does make into a bed. Or you can just kind of use it as a seat area. Bunk over top. Again, you can pin that bunk up so it's out of the way. Big windows back here. Again, deep tent safety glass windows. They do open 50%. So it does give you quite a bit of cross breeze and ventilation back here. Again, you also have the 3-season door back here. I'm going to squeeze back underneath it here to kind of show you what this all looks like. Kind of looking in from outside here, you have the 3-season door. And those do come undone and they swing open so you can load your bikes and stuff in and out of here. And then in the middle section actually just slides. And they have screens or the plastic covers that you can use, either one, depending on, you know, how nice of a day it is. The floor is the nicer, heavier duty rubber diamond floor, and also has your D-rings and stuff like that built in already. There is another little ladder over here. And this ladder goes up into a little loft area. And there's an electric outlet back there, a little roof vent back there. So you could sleep another person up here. Got a nice big flat screen TV down here. And another little half bath. Now this half bath, it's small. It's more of a kid's half bath, or kind of leave the door open, in my opinion, if you have to use it back here kind of thing. But it is a little bathroom area back here for kids. It does have a little window in it. Now, one thing they do that is a little different, they have these little walls that move. So that'll spin around out of the way, and it gives you about an extra 5 inches of width up into this section. So if you have, and you can kind of see these little latches up here where you can latch the doors and stuff. But you can get a few extra inches of room for your larger side-by-sides and stuff like that. But overall, pretty cool little garage setup. Like the fact that they do have the little outdoor kitchen and stuff like that. That is something that you don't find a whole lot of in these toy hauler fifth wheels anymore. We're going to take a minute and spin back over to the outside of the coach. Kind of show you around out there a little bit. Show you some of the neat stuff out there. Don't forget, guys, again, like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, we're now back on the outside of this new Road Warrior toy hauler, and we're going to start back here in the back section here. Just wanted to kind of show you what this all looks like from outside here. You have a step that goes up onto the patio deck area there. Nice railing system there, again, to just kind of help protect you from falling off with the little gate on the end there. Power awning up top there with the LED light strip in it. There's two power awnings on this side. I put one out and left one closed just to kind of get you an idea what they look like. But they are adjustable, so you can tilt them if you need to. Also, they have LED light strips built into the end of the awning tubes that you can kind of see up there. And you have your traditional LED light up above the entry door and the garage door there. Spare tire mounted underneath the bottom. You can kind of see it hanging down there. I like the holder that's holding it in place too. It's actually able to be telescoped out, so you don't have to necessarily just crawl underneath and try and fight with the tire on a cable. So a little bit better holder. And in the garage area going in there, you have the traditional RV step there. So it's the kind that comes down, hovers above the ground a little bit. They do that step in this area so that it doesn't flip up into the doorway and take up about 6 inches of garage space. In the front door up there, you have the upgraded More Ride step up in that area, which actually comes down, touches the ground, a little more stable and can hold more weight capacity going in and out of the coach. 6-point automatic hydraulic leveling jack system. You have the Dexter never adjust brakes, 3 axles on this unit. Has the More Ride 3000 suspension system there. Also like the fact that it has a little outdoor kitchen area. This is kind of cool. So you do have a little 2-burner stove. You've got a little hot and cold sink here. Now this is a wet little dump sink here, so you do have to actually dump it. It's not plumbed into the holding tank. But it does give you a little cooking area there. You got a little shelf there. And then you have your little mini fridge over here also. And there's a light up in there. Large folding entry handle. Traditional RV screen door. Does have the window and stuff in it there. Does also have a shock on it too. So that's something that they do a little different than some of the other guys. All the Heartland products come with the 3-year limited structural warranty. That's a nice little upgrade. A few manufacturers do that, but not all. A couple of the really big manufacturers don't actually do that. They're just 1 year. So that's a nice feature there. Another really good upgrade is the Asdale Composite Sidewalls. Really love this feature. It's not a wood Luan board that this fiberglass is attached to, so it's not going to rot and delaminate. You have your Canadian Arctic package option on this particular coach, which puts 12-volt heat pads and stuff on the holding tanks just to kind of get you a little more cold weather use out of it. 2 outdoor speakers there. Kind of zoom back out here a little bit, let you look down the side a little better. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of my videos on these new models as they come in. And here you can see a flat screen TV. This flat screen TV is on a little telescoping mount. So that just slides back up inside there, slides out, and you can spin it around. It turns and swivels and all kinds of stuff. So pretty cool. Good amount of storage space in here. There's a battery disconnect up there. There's also the central vac area in the middle there, so you can use that for the storage compartment, or you can just dump the bag and stuff out right there. There's also a bypass for winterization up inside there too. The unit has, again, 3 slide outs, so 1 on this side and 2 on the other side. This one's not too bad because it is up here toward the front section and still gives you a ton of awning and campsite space right there. Onan 5500 watt generator down there. Also the battery compartment and stuff was down there as well. You have LED lights, turning radius cap, so the cap is actually notched back for better turning radius. little more bubbled out than some of the other brands, so I think it's a little more aerodynamic looking. Whether it is or not, not real sure, but it looks like it would be. Upgraded More Ride hitch pen box there. And that's pretty nice. Does help with some of the chucking and stuff like that, going up and down the road from starting and stopping and things. You have the Schwinn Tech slide system here on this Slido. Some basic information here. Again, model number 414RW. 7,000 pound axles. Now they gross weight this one at 20,000 pounds. So that's hitch weight, axle weight combined. That's the most they want this frame loaded up to. So the frame is actually a little bit less than the triple axle 7,000 pounds there. But we have ST235-80R 16G range tires. Again, two 30-pound propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other side. The other side of the storage compartment area here. And you've got your jack controls right up there. And then you also have a docking station area right here, which does have some cable and satellite hookups, a light in here, your water hookups and stuff like that, outside utility shower, black tank flush, those different types of features there. Down below is the little compartment there to reach in and dump some of your holding tanks. You can also see your furnace exhaust out right there. Deep tent safety glass windows. Now back here in this section, you have your fuel station area and stuff back here. There is also another dump back here for the half bath area. Black tank flush back here for the half bath area. Two fuel stations on here. Your fuel pump stuff, everything is located right here. So your fuel gauge to kind of tell you how full things are, turn it on and off right here. And same thing here is the fuel station. So you do have a little gas pump there. 50 amp detachable power cord. I like the fact that they did the little 90-degree elbow thing to it, so it's less likely to damage over time from stretched out there. Ladder on the back as well. And again, this unit had the 3-season door on it. That's a cool upgrade there. I would definitely recommend that if you like to do more fall camping and plan on leaving this out. And even in the summertime, that just kind of helps keep the air or keep the heat in a little bit better. Again, guys, thanks for checking out my video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out couchesrvnation.com. They're one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. They'll definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. They are the ones that let me do these videos for you guys. Check them out.